Okay, good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a wonderful evening last night. We're going to have an amazing trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. Wow, I woke up early today and started cranking out on some projects because, dudes, I'm in like the rabbit hole, and wow. It's like during the day, I'm getting a million messages all over the place, running like so many different businesses and income streams, keeping track. And that's the key is really, I have all these to-do lists. I actually have 3 of them in front of me. A to-do list. Actually, I used to have 1 to-do list. Now I have 3 to-do lists for 3 different projects that I'm working on. So it's really cool. And I'm setting myself up for the new year, and that's what you all should do. So if you like that, let's start off. Give me a nice little smash and like on the action, and let's head over to the MOJO Day Trading room and say hello to the team. Hey guys, good morning, Mr. Gilbert, Mr. Stock Guy, TKG, and Uncle Adam. What's going on?
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Nice to see you. So, were you able to get into the free preview of the NFT bootcamp class?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So let's do a morning show this morning. I'll show you what's going to be hot and not this morning, guys, and let's take it from there. Let's see what we got. It's it's holiday time now, so it's always a good time of the year. You know what I'm saying? Get where's my Santa hat? Oh, there's my Santa hat. Am I looking at this one? No. I'm looking at this one. There's my Santa hat. Let's put it on top of my head there. There you go. Mojo like Santa Claus today. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got going on in the main room and on the screen. That's my screen. All right, guys. Hey, Hartwell, what's up? That was just 256. I'm going to go over today's trading plan, which we're going to have patience. We're going to look for 3 trades at the open for the one-shot trade play. The one-shot trade play is pretty cool. We're going to focus on 3 stocks to go through par or Hines. 1 or 2 will win, the other one will fail. We're going to identify that at the open. The Hines trade's really easy. It's a play that works with great consistency. Once a stock approaches 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, right under any even dollar, just under the whole number, whether it be 4, 7, 15, 8, 28, 55, momentum takes over and brings the stock to and through the whole number. We have a 640 to 650 move again on SQQ, the same thing it gave us that last time. So here's the edge for Mojo. Let me show you this edge, guys. Little show this morning. So right here you have the Mojo edge. Did you know that the casino, every $1 bet, you can win 1 time your money? You think so, but it's not correct. See the roulette wheel? You like, give me red or black. It's not 50-50. It's 18 red, 18 black, and 2 green. There's 38 slots. The player has 18 out of 38 chance to win, which is 47.3%. The casino has 20. They got those extra 2 out of 38. They have a 52.7% probability of winning, which gives the casino on that game right there a 5.4% edge. Mojo's edge is 95%. So wouldn't you like to have a game or a system in your favor that paid you 95%? Let me show you. So for every 054, which is their edge, if you $1 million goes through that wheel, they're going to win $54,000. Watch. Every 1,000 bets, they're going to win 540 times. They're going to lose 473 times. They're going to win $540,000. They're going to lose 473, which gives them a net profit of $54,000 on every $1 million that goes through the roulette wheel. Pretty amazing, right? Now let me give you MOJO's statistics. So MOJO does 100 trades versus the casino does 100 trades or bets. The casino wins 57% of the time. The player wins 43% of the time. MOJO, what if we won 95% of the time and lost 5% of the time with a great system? Even if we were 90% and 10, this is the system based on the Heinz trade. So your edge in the market is actually utterly incredible. You like have the best wheelhouse game in town. And that's the Heinz trade play. So you can take a free preview of the MOJO University boot camp I taught last night right here. If you click that link, you're going to come on over to this page right here, and you can start course number 1. I got 37 minutes out of it before my microphone messed up, but I didn't realize it, but it wasn't a problem because I'm teaching the course privately now and recording it. So if you just press start right here and you come into the course. So NFTs, I love them. I completely dove into the rabbit hole. I have the same feeling now that I did when the internet first started and the IPO bubble came. I have the same feeling now when the internet was created. The internet was created, and what happened was you couldn't buy the internet. You couldn't buy the companies that made the internet, Cisco
Good morning,
Systems,
everybody.
Apple, Applied Materials, Lam Research. You can buy the companies, but you couldn't buy the actual protocol. So imagine if you could have bought the protocol called the internet, and then years later those companies came and were formed like what happened, and everybody invested in them, and those are like the horses that are running on the racetrack. The internet was the racetrack, so you couldn't own the racetrack then, but the horses ran, and people did make millions. This is the only time in history that you can actually own the protocol. So you're actually owning the racetrack. You're own the Bitcoin back when it was 3,000. You got to own the protocol. So in the future, if the big boys ever came in, which they did, it's at 60,000 now. The adoption happened. You're huge. NFTs is the same exact feeling, same thing right now. No question about it. You're in pioneering, founding father, first entry into market, no question. 70 million wallets on Coinbase don't even know what an NFT is. 99% of the world do not know what an NFT is. You're early adopter. I'm going to show you everything, what I've known, and you're in with a great teacher about the NFTs. Check this out, guys. Non-fungible tokens. Why you need it. Now, Coinbase NFTs. It's a peer-to-peer marketplace. Everybody's got Coinbase. This is what it's going to look like. They're coming out see the SOC number 661 right here, selling for 1.1. The cryptos are called categories. And these are the categories. You've never heard of a duck starter before. No way. No way. How about DeFi index? How about, you've heard energy? That's like a sector in the stock market. So is health, music, sports. How about Polka Starter? How about? Pretty cool, right? That's my course, man. That's my course, guys. I taught it last night, part of it. So let me unmute these guys from the room. I was playing the course, guys, when you came in and did your good mornings. Hey, Uncle Adam, good morning. Nice to see you.
Morning, Chief. How you doing?
Doing a little teaching this morning, I taught my course last night, the NFT course. You can go do a free preview of that. If you go click that link right there, I gave everyone a free preview. You can go do that. Real nice. And that's pretty much it. We got some good stocks to look at here in the pre-market. People are coming in the room. Batman, he's on his mobile this morning. OG Mouse, doesn't look like he's in the room yet this morning. Homer, doesn't look like Gomez. I don't know where all these guys are, but somewhere over the rainbow, they are. Especially Batman, he's so incognito. Batman. There's so many good Batmans. Let's see. Opa Gotham style. Opa Gotham style. Oh, he's gonna give me a little slap. Ooh, Batman, I'm vengeance. Love that. Bender's in the room. Mar this morning. My girl, TK Global. She's been with 2 months in the MOJO room. She loves it. She absolutely loves it. So let's go check out the market because it's all right. Let's check out the market right now. And what do we got? 636 by 637. Lonth right off 635. She'll hold right here. Back up. Lonth futures trade. So the futures are going to go lower right now. As it goes into 637 by 638, the futures will go lower. Watch how I'm going to call the trade before it happens. There it goes. You'll see it. There it happened. It's happening. It's happening. As soon as it switches, you're profitable, then everyone will come in and buy and take you out for a profit. MOJO knows.
Yeah, they nailed it.
It's called a cross market when the bid and the ask is the same price. It's like a tug of war, and you could see how they're doing a market order of buying at 637. Someone just bought 5, 8, 10, 20,000. They're doing an order. Roll it, baby.
So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor.
There it goes,
make it
Pacific.
again.
The PSX, that's the Pacific Stock Exchange. So it may fail here if he doesn't get his whole order completed into 638. But you already made a sweet little downturn move on the futures. So let's build the hot list, guys. Wish yesterday was great. That was my pick at 315 yesterday. Wish at 315 is 350. Thank you, Zach Morris. Gotta love you. On my action, on my Twitter jitter. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good morning. Good morning. It feels like it's Friday. It's just incredible. It is just incredible, dudes. It is. So let's see what else is hot. We got DATs may move today because they may move from one to the other. Who knows? Rally was these are the ones from yesterday. I'll keep BFRI up. It's been hot 3 days in a row. Has a lot of short interest. Let's look at the first one right here on the list. BVSB. The guys in the room can mute their mics if they're not talking. Hey guys, can you just mute your mics if you're not talking, stock guy? Thank you, buddy. They forget to mute their mics and they fidget around in the background. You hear the mic picks up everything. It's incredible. So let's check out the next one. Hot. What's hot? What's hot? We have FTCI. Just went by the high list, but we won't go to that one yet. Let's put BRTX up. Let's put up ACST. Let's put up RCAT. Let's put up, what is that? ALJJ. DBVT. I think that's Dave and Buster's. GET. SNES. That's a pharma. What else is on the gainers? METX. That's small. CEI is on the losers. Anything going by the high-low list twice? Oh, DNUT at $15.99 for Heinz 16. I like that. RBOT at 10.30. OSS at 4.59. IEP right at $50. IEP, is that international? Oh, it's ICANN Enterprises. No volume though. All right, let's go through the stocks and see which ones are like smoking good and not smoking good. So BFRI has traded right here. There's a signal at 11.15 on the low side. It's going to go lower in the level 2. Biofrontera traded 2.8 million right here. Biofrontera. So if you look at this one, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I like that one. It's got a nice, it's 2 levels in the level 2. What I mean is 3 on the bid, 2 on the ass. It's not 1 in 1. It's not super thin. Easy to see the signals in the level 2 on direction. It's weak. It's going lower to 11.15. You can see the 23 there. That's the level 2. So the next bar is going to go lower. The signals on the bid is weak, bearish. The signals on the ask are bullish. It took me 3 years. Listen. It took me 3 years. Traders are so a personality. You don't lose. You don't like to lose, dudes. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you just are like, You don't like to lose. So you're like, freaking, I'm going to take a position. I'll buy some. I'll buy some. I'll buy some. I'll buy some. You don't want to lose. You want to come in like a wrecking ball and kick the stock's ass, man. That's me. I'm a DGF, MFH, SAS, HTM. I kick the market's ass. That means I don't give a fuck because I'm a mother effing hustler. Better ask somebody. I'm smart as shizzle because I'm a Heinz trading machine and I kick the market's ass every single day. That's what I do. Hulk, baby. That's what I do. And then after that, the money rings in. That's what happens, dude, because I got the Heinz trade play. And we do it as a team. And yes, Wonder Woman and you girls could come in and do it too. Absolutely. That's what Mojo likes. So, dudes, I got the good plan. Alan just came in with his picks. Look, BVXV, BRTX, and BFRI. Ooh, he's coming in on the mic. Ooh, there's that Lanth coming. 636, 637. Lanth be coming. Lanth be coming. Let me go to the other screen. So right here, Alan, thank you. Let's take a look at your picks. BVXV, BRTX, and BFRI. I got them all on my screen. BFRI right now, 121, 1121. BVXV, 299 by 3, heading right into Heinz. I really, really like that. Today is the day of the B stocks. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mr. Cash. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Pro Trader Allen. Good morning. Thank you for saying hello. So we have a nice BVXV situation. We have.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh, wait. I hear something. Don't talk yet. There's something happened. I hear something in my voice, and it's pretty clear. It sounds like Alan with a new microphone.
No, it's not new, but I made some adjustments to what I had. I'm waiting for another one. I'm getting a Yeti. So.
Wow, it's like you have the Yeti now. I can't believe it. It's like
Yeah, this is much better sounding, Alan.
How is everyone this morning?
It's like I want you to stay on now because it's like a pleasure speaking and hearing your voice, where the other one was like, it's like, oh, scratchy, oh no. But now, please just stay on. You can, absolutely. So yeah, I like BVXV, your pick. It will go through Hines, but it's got to dip and suck people out first, as we know. Because if we would have bought in the pre-market, we'd be down on 10,000 shares at 310. We actually, if it went higher, I'd own higher. Let me show you. So the chart is 311. I'd own it at 311. I would have printed the high. And if it was higher, I would have owned it at 320. So when the market opens, the high will only be like 292 where it is now. And then I'll own it like 11 cents higher than the day even started, because it's like taken me 3 years to realize a big ask is bullish. It's taken me 5 years and losing 100 different accounts and millions of dollars to realize I better just wait until the market opens. Do you know why? Because I've journaled more than 100 times, then another 100 times, then another 100 times, and then another 100 times. And then Alan journaled 100 times and 100 times and 100 times and said, you can get a better price in the stock you're looking at in the pre-market once the market opens, almost 90% of the time.
That's right.
You're not missing nothing. It's jonesing traders that need the freaking fix. There ain't nothing. You ain't missing nothing, bro. Wait for the market to open. What they're doing is they're accumulating shares to hold the bid and the offer and control it. And once they accumulate enough shares, like 5 million, because it's traded 23, this is usually one player in the game. They're accumulating shares to control it. So off stopping station, first trade right here, entry 1,000, 277 to 82. First trade, rocket over to the main screen. Let's go. Right here, entry, adding at 80 with the 315 signal. Selling 84, 82. Added. Let's put a couple $100 in the Kittle this morning. Next one is DGLY. DGLY, Digital Alley. 169,000 shares. This is a former MOJO swing pick. They make the cameras for police officers like that. So they can enforce and be transparent, because you want to see everything those cops do. You know what I'm saying? They jump out of the car, they're coming at you like a banshee. Hey man, you're going 10 miles an hour over the speed limit. You're gonna kill 9 people. Get the fuck out of the car right now. You're like, oh dude, really? I got that on. And you're wearing one of those Digital Alley cameras right there, dude. Acting like a crazy man. I didn't do nothing. Come on, brother. What do you got there, Uncle Adam? NQ futures, no pre-market trades yet. That's a brutal one. I don't know what that chart means. It kind of like wants you to make pre-market trades when you put up a chart like that. Instead, you should come down here to the, let me show you, to the GIF channel. Let me show you. Let me show you, brother. So come right down here to the GIF channel. And you'd want to be like, look, beware. Warning, warning, like enter at your own, like this, look. No pre-market. Trade at your own risk. Do like one of those each day, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there's a screen share kit, Killer Diller. I thought I had it started. Do you want to see magic? Watch this. Watch this. You ready? Look, screen 1 on. Screen shares on in the MOJO chat room, guys. Nail it. Oh, nailed it.
Nailed it.
There's my screen share live. Come on in and don't say hi because you can't. You can only see my screen. You can only see my screen. I wish it was Friday. You know how much money we're going to make at the open? A lot. Do you know why? Because I'm holding you back from ruining the day. Let me explain something. Where is this? Now, do I have my wave theory chart? I showed you the casino. I showed you that. I showed you the one shot. We're waiting for the open on the one shot. That's to move in on 3 stocks through Hines, the even number. I showed you what Hines, did I show you what my computer is, dude? You know, that's my computer right there. I built that, dude. I was one of the first people to ever like build sick ass computers. You know that, dude? That's my computer. Now I bought it like that, but I got more than one graphics card in there right now. That's water cooled, blue liquid, blue coils, hyper cooled. That's my computer. And I have like the glass on the outside has MOJO Day Trading etched on the glass on the outside of the computer right there. And I got 2 1070s now. That 1070 was the first iteration of the 1070s by NVIDIA EVGAs to ever come out. That's how long ago I built that computer, and it runs still like a champion. I've mined crypto off that computer. Amazing. So BVXV, I'm going to sell half right here, guys. BVXV, I'm selling half right here at 285. 286, sold half. 285, 286, just sold half, made 215 on the first trade, 3,000 left at 78, sold half at 87. Oh, they didn't give me 87, they gave me 86. I'll go quarter limit right now at 88. That's me on the ass. They just took it. See, 88 for 375. I'll go quarter limit at 89. They just took 89. They're taking it pretty fast. All I do is press this one button on my screen. You see it? It's called quarter limit. Half limit. So half limit at 91, they just took it. So it takes half the position and it just sells it for you on the limit, which is the ask. And I get a rebate back by adding liquidity into the market. What that means, you may have heard, is when you buy the ask and you buy it, right? You're removing liquidity from the market. If you buy on the bid and get filled, you're adding liquidity into the market. Okay. If you sell it at the bid as a market order, you're removing liquidity from the market. But if I sell it on the ask as a limit order, I'm adding liquidity into the market, and they're going to give me a rebate back on my commissions for doing that. So on the way up, it's preferential for me to sell on the way up, because if I had to hit the bid and do a quarter market right now, it would cost me a little bit more than doing it on the ask. So those sells were great. And if you add that up over 1 million trades, it's a considerable amount of money. So great job, guys. Oh.
So Mojo, with the NQ futures being as low as they are, we should be looking at small moves on the NQ stock market, or on the futures market, right?
Say that again.
The Dow Jones Mini, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 Mini, these are all pretty small numbers. So that means that the moves on the NQ futures will be smaller, right?
Yeah,
Or it
yeah.
could be that someone comes in with a bunch of stocks or a bunch of money and just moves it one way or the other really hard, right?
If you're trading now in the pre-market, you mean?
No, I mean during open market.
You wait for the even flow for the SQQ to fill up on both sides. Right now, I could see 638. I could see 638, 630. No, I could see 2. You don't want to see 3 in the level 2. You want to see 2 prices, 2 numbers, a 36 and a 37, a 38 and a 39. So you could see the movements moving back and forth like that. But in the pre-market, see how jittery it is, how it skips 3 levels up and it skips 3 levels down during the normal trading hours. Let's say at like 10:30 after the market's open, you'll see all 637 and a 38, a full row, and those will shift up and down much smoother than they're doing now. So it gives you an easier It's like a sniper, okay? And you're lining them up, and it's freaking so windy right now. It's like jittery, man. Why don't you need one shot, and you got all morning, and the market don't open for 7 minutes. And then half hour after that, you've eyed them so good for so long. Pew, you nail them, dude, because it's smooth and you got his ass. And that's it, because you're trading 1, 2, and 3 lots. Thing makes a 3-cent move. You just made $400, $500, man. And I think this thing flips and goes through 643 and heads to 650, exactly like Gomez said the first day. I said the second day. It's doing the same exact setup for a flip to go 640 into mini high in 650. I think they're just playing with it exactly like BVXV right here. Stopping station trade again. I sold at 91. I'm buying into the market again. A couple of hundred shares. BVXV. BVXV. There it goes. 82, 84. Freaking mouse is amazing, dude. Allen's amazing. BPTH 449 Mini Hines. Biopath. Been a former big screamer. DGLY is moving. Digital Alley 119 now. I'm going to take an entry just to market on Digital Alley right there. DNUT is Krispy Kreme, dude. Donuts. Matterport, dude. Moving. Mojo Swing Pick. Matterport. MTTR. 23 beans. Love Matterport today, guys. On the radar for sure. Yeah, I want to give a shout out to I got my sketchy apes last night. Finally, the collection looks beautiful. The mint went beautiful. The project went beautiful. The team is strong. It's made up of great people. Let me show you my sketchies last night I got right here. They're really beautiful. I call him Green Draw McGraw. SABC number 8. Green Draw McGraw. I name all of my apes. If you don't name your ape, dude, you're silly. So he's Green Draw McGraw. You want to see Purple McGurple? Here's Purple McGurple. Where's Purple McGurple? Purple McGurple. Here he is. Look at Purple McGurple, dude. Purple McGurple. He's so cool. He has pumpkin orange background, clothing props, his reflective vest. He's got a crazy face, a dull dark purple fur. He's got the golf hat, Mojo, and he's got the X-ray, baby. He's got the golf hat. Purple McGurple. Look at this, Bubs. 08. Don't you wish you had 08, 09? Don't you wish it already traded? Look at this. Now that's a sweet ass collection. And I'll name every one of these, dude. This is Tight Lips Steve right here. That's Tight Lips Steve. That's Tight Lips. I can name them all. Look at the activity. Beautiful. Oh, look at the pricing. Last night went to 0.13. Don't you wish your NFT did that, dude, in the beginning? It comes out right here. Goes all the way up. Look at these sales, dude, every hour on the hour. That's a nice collection, dude. I got some of those babies. I got some of those babies. Who's that? That's your dog, Alan? Is that Alan's dog? Alan got a dog? I didn't know Alan got a dog. That's your dog? What's
I
his
love
name?
the hat.
What's his name, bruh? Kingston? Oh, Kingston? Nice. Hey, Kingston. I don't like it when you can't talk, dude. We got to make it, you're like, everybody bring in Mojo. Let's row the room. Everybody, let's go. Bring in. And then you're like on here. You got to talk, dude. It's that kind of environment right now.
That's my adopted American Bulldog.
Oh, he's so cool. When did you get him? How old is he?
He's 2.5. I got him last Christmas.
Cool, dude. He's a
He weighs
buddy.
100 pounds even.
He looks like you, bro. You know, like you say, your dog like looks like your master and stuff. He looks kind of like you, bro.
1 minute, everybody.
Yeah,
Wow.
he's definitely in the Trump camp, that's for sure.
He's in the Trump camp, man. Big time. Got to get him a Trump shirt.
I tried putting a dolphin shirt on him the other day. He ripped it off.
Oh, you don't like that? Oh, BVXV, it's ready for the open, kid. Told you, I just bought some more, dude. Right there at stopping station again. 279 average.
Right. Good luck, everybody, at the open.
Yep. Good luck, man. Here we go, guys. $19 seconds to the open. 19 seconds to the open. Here we go. BVXV selling half, 87, sold half. Bought it at 80, selling 87. It's a 5% gain, selling 89. Rebuying back only into Hines. Here we go. Market's open. It goes down 1 cent. I'm selling it all, and then we'll rebuy it back. They're cross-marketing and lower. Sold it all. Let them suck everyone out. We'll rebuy it back. Get ready. Stopping station now. 74, 74, 75, 77. Beautiful, guys. I got 5,000 at 77 so far. Going half limit up at 85 and above. Here it comes. 84 sold. Here's 85. 84 just sold. Don't even have a big position. Just made 678 off of it so far. Nothing sweet on it. Nothing's happening. Just listen to the mojo. I'm looking at 7 other stocks right now. You have no idea what I'm looking at. Out. BVXV. Dipping will buy lower. Big signal underneath. Told you. 75 signal right there. Mojo's on the bid at 74. Filling like a villain down here. Wish. Think they're going to do a move higher on it through 350. Watching it right here. Cross market entry on Wish. Adding 48, 49 signal right there at 50. Signal right there at 50 at 245. Adding lemon squeeze him right here. That's it. That's your ad. She'll go to 60 on that. Otherwise, no, 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 no. BFRI moving big, big. Where's my BFRI? 12. Right there on BFRI. Get it in that room right there, guys. I got it on 3 other screens right here. Something just happened. I pressed the wrong button. Get out of that. Something just happened. There we go. Woo! BVFO. 83, 84 on this one. 90 now on that one. 90 on BV. Sell some more right here. We'll rebuy it back in the dip. You're flat at 94. Buying it back at 98 only. Sell, dude. That's the sell. Great job at 92. Sell. Buy it back at 81 and under. ACST is moving. Axidia Farmer marking an entry on ACST at 137. SQQ. Lonf. 638, 639, 640. Launch. Nailed. 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 BVXV 98 in. Selling here. Sold 303. Sold 303. Sold 303. Rebuy back 80. Done. Filled 80. Whoa, Mojo's good. Mojo is good, boys. Woohoo! Wish 49.50. Squeezing that wish. Squeeze that wish. Make a wish, baby. Woo, hoo, 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 hoo. Mojo make a wish. Hoo, hoo. Mojo make a wish. Listen, you like my trades. Fly. BVXV Heinzings up $2,000, selling half, 5,000, made 2,291 on BVXV. Listen, guys, I don't even want to hear. I want you to show me the money. Let's go, dudes. Let's go, team. There was the team. Let's go, Alan. $3,994. Woohoo! Who else made money? Who else? Mr. Marr, $1,429. Who's next? Mr. Macklin, $1,189. I'm selling half right here out on my other screen. 313. 316. Here's 19. Out at 19. Mojo.
Sweet.
Could be looking at another lawn fair.
Lonfer called in the room. D-Wax moving 52. Foon's moving. D-Wack and Foon. D-Wack and Foon. D-Wack and Foon. Nice trading today, dudes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. ACST's moving. Wow, that was cool. That's called, you call an amazing trade. That's what you call an amazing trade. What do I have? Let me see what I've got, guys. Let's see here. Let's see what I got. How about, yeah, you always give me a like, dude. BRTX is freaking ripping like a chicken without a head, dude. Look at that. 616, 617 on BRTX, making a rip like a ripping. Any questions, dude? Any questions, you just ask me in that chat room, brother. I get you covered like freaking Flint. Covered like Flint. Happy holidays, guys. Give me a like, a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe bell and the notification so when I go live, you get notified. What was that? How can you see my total in the DOS, in the accounts tab? 620 on BRTX, 140 on A. I got to clean up my biz. Great day, guys, today. Great day. Did you know that Moshish had a great day today? Mojish had a great day today. So let me show you what we do in the Mojo room at this time in 8 minutes after the market opened. And you tell me if this service would be good for you in 2000 and ching, 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 22. Make a New Year's resolution, guys. Let's see. Now, trading goal each day is to hit your daily profit goal and be done for the day as quickly as possible. This is usually done by 11 a.m. It only takes 3 trades to be over your daily goals and 2 trades to meet your daily goal. This chat room is a business trading room. Pro traders conduct the trades as business. We don't trade just to have fun. Pro traders wait for the trades to present themselves. When you push the trading, you will get burned more than you win. Pro traders like high probability trades, making consistent wins. Winning just 3 times per day is enough for your business to grow by leaps and bounds as the days add up. It's a marathon and not a sprint, and the goal is to be here every day and have an account to trade. Make your American dream a reality. If you push it or get greedy, it will not work. Day's over. We're done for the day. That's what we do. First shot in stocks did BVXV 127. Goal was 100. There you go, Nate. Nate's great. Nate's great. Nate's great. And you won, and you won, and you fire. Fire in the Mojo room. Mojo fire. Cool, dudes. Bender, I'm done for the day, bro. You didn't make enough money off of those picks that you really got to go into another trade? Is that really the case? Question mark. Yeah, Mojo's right. See, now you'd lose money and be freaking, dude. I could give you 5 other stocks right now. NSES, GLOP, OPFI, SKY, I could give you 10 of them right now, all going by the high-low list, but we don't do that. Mojo's done, dude. Dude, Mojo's done. You know what I'll be saying? Google it, bro. What? Google it. Google. Told you.
Beauty lawn. Beauty lawn.
Beauty launch, dude. 637, 638. She's ripping up into 39. Ripping up into 39. Did you get that one, Adam?
No, I was too low on it. Right now, I'm about to break even.
Really? Let me show you some things. Can I show you some things on my my social?
Of course.
I might hit 60,000 today. I got 43 more people to go on. I got 43 more people to go, guys, for 60,000. So please hook me up. I want to celebrate, give out some NFTs. I got this NFT right here, this giveaway. I've got like Crypto Cocan, Ape Traders, Julian Mudd, Dancing Deers, Botsy. I've got how about 4 others that are going to be in there by New Year's Day? On New Year's Day, I'm going to do an NFT extravaganza. You know what that is? That's a freaking extravaganza event that you better be at because, dudes, I may give out, see that $1,000 in prizes? It may be up to like $2,000 in prizes. What if I told you could be up to $3,000 in prizes? What if I told you by that time it could be up to $5,000 in prizes? So you better follow me, like that tweet, and get in because I have a random Twitter picker that will go through 120 tweets and relikes and pick out 3 winners, a first, second, and third prize. So if it's $2,000, that's $1,200, that's $600, that's boom. Or I may add a 4th and a 5th in there and may add a couple. Let's see how big we can get it, guys. Let's go. It's a pinned tweet on my profile every month. The January box. Guess what comes in February? The Valentine's February box. Guess what comes in March? The March Madness March box. Guess what comes in April? The April Fool's box. Guess what comes in May? The Mojo box. Guess what comes in June? The June box. Guess what comes in July? The 4th of July box. Guess what comes in August? My birthday box. Guess what comes in September? the September box. You know what I'm saying? Every box, every month, dude. So I can put them in there. I can cover the NFT, show you what they're all about, do that like a champion. Like a champion, dude. Because you ain't hitting the NFT market and making a shizzle. Dude, you think the pan's hot? It ain't not. 98% of NFTs are going to fail. And the ones that are partnering, you're partnering with rug pullers. I don't want to name no names, but there's some people that just because you hit an ape here or there and you're worth a lot of money, you know, where's my deck of cards? You know, you got a deck of cards right here, 52 cards, and you're playing people like a card, man. Like this one guy says to me, I went in with this project, Mike. He says to me, I'm helping the guy. So he goes, Mike, I went into this one project and, you know, the guy like wanted me to run his Twitter space and hook them all up. And he was going to hook me up and I was going to build the community. And, you know, in the beginning, it was amazing. I put my heart and soul into it. And, you know, the first couple of times, the communication was there. And then as soon as the traction happened, the communication dropped. I never got anything, kept on asking and going over and delivering what I said. So, you know, I can get the value and, you know, get remunerated for my work, because I don't work for free. And actually I work 60 hours a week. I do the spaces till 3:30 in the morning. I get 3 hours of sleep because I'm doing that for you and the community, because I believe I want to change my life. I don't like going to work at 6:30, come working, you know, crazy 90 hours, 40 hours a week, 50 hours a week, 3 hours of sleep. And the guy told me he put in, because the guy, and I heard the guy say it, you know, this collection could be like something in 2 weeks that could be really high in price and change all your lives. So the guy like put all his savings into it, man. All his savings. And now the floor is lower than the mint. And it's like he got rugged. He got rugged. And the guy did it not only to him, to 5 other people that contacted me. Because I'm on the spaces all the time. There's nothing better than Twitter spaces. If you want to grow an NFT, you got to do a Twitter spaces 3 times a week and once on the weekend. And you better have some masterful people that could speak like nobody else, like nobody else's business, like the back of their hand, all about NFTs, cryptocurrency, cryptography, mining, technology, business, finance, creation, minting, wallets, MetaMask, Temple Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Solitaire, Solana, SolSea, Solana Art, Soul Shop, DraftKings Marketplace, Coinbase Marketplace, TerraVutru, Skirpy, Slurpy, everything. If you don't know all of the places to go and what to do, you're lost in the shuffle. Believe me. So you need the strong-ass community that is, you know, not thinking, oh, damn, I just put my life savings into it. What am I going to do? You fulfill on your promises and you deliver. Otherwise, you're going to get scrumped. Your collection is going to be shit and it ain't going to work. And that's what 98% of the people are doing, man. You think you got the magic formula. You don't. It's a business. You think you're going to go in the back and create an NFT, a piece of art, as a chef in the kitchen? What are you going to do with it, dude? You need a waiter to go to the table and take the order. You need the host to bring in the people and send them to the table. You need the business partner to help you do the lease and buy the building. All you know how to do is cook. What are you going to do? Beg for people to come in and because I'm a starving cook? That ain't going to work. Makes sense, doesn't it, guys? I've been in spaces a lot. A lot. And I'm not in spaces to gain information. I'm in spaces to give information. Big difference. And everybody in the NFT space, if it is work for you, you need to align yourself with somebody that what you want to do is fun. And you'll do really, really, really well. You'll do really, 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 really well. Some good advice there for the marketing side of the biz for you. Absolutely. Let's go right here. Let me see what I have right here on my screen. This is MOJODayTrading.com. Learn one system. That's it. That works. Start making money right now. Those are my trading room, newsletter, or combo pack. I take the combo pack and I get in there and get the whole kitchen caboodle. You want to see 10 years of results? Click right there. The stock picks that I put in my swing trade newsletter will astonish you. I don't even want to go there right now. It's too much. You want to see all my courses? Go take the preview of the stock course, the crypto course, and the futures course. Each one has a one-course preview. You'll be so damn amazed. You'll be like, what? Let's listen to Ramey. He's got the mojo edge and the itch.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Ramey.
Hello, everybody. This is Pro Trader Raimi. If you're watching this, you got the mojo itch.
The mojo itch.
I'm telling you, this is the
That combo
best
pack is so cheap, it's
trading
ridiculous.
community
I've been a
you can
member,
find.
subscriber for 10 years.
I'm really excited of being here.
I don't think the price has gone up.
Hold on. Wait a second. Alan's talking. I hear him. Hold on. We're going back over to the mojo room. Alan, you're on the mic. What's up, buddy?
No, I'm just reiterating what you said about the combo pack. It's so ridiculously cheap. It's unbelievable. I've been a subscriber for 10 years, and the amount of money, the profit margin on that is greater than anything I've ever done in my life.
Amazing. See, people don't realize and think of it like as a profit margin. You know what I'm saying? They think of it as like an expense and that sort of thing. And like how I teach you in the course when I taught you guys originally, because I'm a professional poker player, bro. And when I go into the casino to play, you know what I'm saying? You see these chips? I could spin, watch. Let me tell you, you watch me and ask me if I'm a good poker player. Okay? So that's my left hand. Let me do it again. My hands are a little tight. Okay, that's my left hand. So I could spin the chips with my left. And my left is not my good hand. Watch my right hand. So when I started teaching Mojo University, Alan, attest to this, please. 10 years ago, I could not spin these chips like this and put it in the middle.
Yeah, they used to fall on the floor.
Every time. My goal at the end of the class, like they were to learn my system, my goal was to be able to spin the chips one time and complete it. And I would watch videos online of the guy on how to do it, bring it down, spin it around, see, and put it in the middle. Watch. Bring it down, spin it around, and put it in. So now I did that. It took me a whole month. By the second time Alan took the class, my goal was to spin it 3 times without dropping it. And I did it. It took me a long time, dude. Okay? 1, 2. Oh, I didn't drop it. So that was 2. You see? It's a system and practice that you do over and over. And you get used to it and familiar. And boom. That's how it works. Okay? So I got off.
I mean, you taught us about bankroll management using the chip trades. That was one of the best lessons I ever saw in bankroll management. I've been in the financial services industry for almost 40 years.
Yeah. So, your chip and your bankroll management, you're worried about $199 a month. That's what I was going to say. Thanks for reminding me. We make a great tag team, bro. You're like reading my mind. When you go at the table, now with a system in poker and you're spinning the chips like that, you're a freaking player, bro. The people are like, dude. I'm like, dude, I bet raise you 3 times your money. What are you going to do? And I just spin the chips at you. You're like, holy shit, this guy's a fucking player, dude. I'm fold. I'm not bluffing you. Okay. And then the dealer throws me all the chips. And I take all these chips I just won. I say, yo, dealer, here you go. And I throw him back the chip. Then the girl comes by and she's like, yo, bro, look at that winner. You want a massage? I'm like, yeah. And I'm like, I'm the only one at the table. And she's giving me a massage. And I'm like, here, honey. Bam. And then I'm like, yo, drink for me, him, and him. Bam. Tipping everyone, bro. You think I'm worried about the $199 a month or the money it took me to get into the casino? Do you see these chips, bro? Every time I go in with my time, the more time I put in, the more chips that I make. I have a system based on positive expectancy that my time in there with the setup, I only play pocket aces. So if the dealer goes, yo, here's your hand, pocket aces, you're like, holy shit, thank you, I just won. Next hand, pocket aces, you're like, this is insane. This is impossible. I won again. Next hand, pocket kings. I'm like, are you freaking serious, dude? 3 hands in a row? I'm done for the day. See ya. I'm not getting pocket aces again. It's just like trading with my system. We just did it 3 times. Pocket aces, pocket aces, pocket aces. And the flop came. You saw the ace flop. You saw nobody had nothing else. And you're like, I'm all in. And you just won 3 times. That's what I teach. That's the school that I came from. And if you have that mindset in trading, look at the traders in my room. Dalva, he's off from work next week, looking forward to join right there. See him? He just joined. He just started taking my course about, I don't know, a week ago, 2 days ago. How long ago, Dalva? What about you, stock guy? What about you, May? What about you, Nalu? Your mouth hit the floor. What's going on? What about you, Brad B? What about you, Bender, OG Hopper?
The only question that remains is, did you have a Deshaun Watson massage?
Well, I don't know what that is, but I think it's not good. Yeah, after. Totally. That's when that's when you go back to the room and you're like, dude, let's make that phone call. So that's
Gotta relax sometime.
Yeah, so that's beautiful. So yeah, so I got my NFT course, guys. You go look at that free preview, start learning NFTs. You'll just be completely stunned. You'll be completely stunned. Does anybody have any questions in the Mojo room? Because it's not madness like happenstance. It's madness every day, dude. We do madness every day. I don't have to look at the stock market again until tomorrow. What do I care? What was that stock? BVX9? What was it? 69? I don't need to. Dude, we partied already, me and that stock. I don't care what it does. What was that other one? BFRI? Wish? Done. Done. I hate all stocks. I hate all crypto. I hate all NFTs. I only like what works. I ain't bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm just right. That's the mantra, boys. What do we got? You want to do a trade off stopping station? Knock your head off and do a SQQ 627 back to 29.30 right here. You'll make quick money. Go ahead. I told you. Right, guys? Did you see that? See that stock guy? Stock guy's at work, dude. That's why he's not talking. See him? He's like, shit, I'm at work. He's looking. He's looking at the Mojo room. He can't talk. What a launch. 6:30, 6:31. Nailed it. Adam, did you get that? $32. $32. Oh, what a launch, dude. Whoa. Sick trade, Moj. Whoa. Thank you. Dude, go look at Warrior Trading, my competition. Does he trade like this? Freak no, dude. He's pointing out a chart. showing you where he entered and bought in, front running his room, freaking dull ass bunhead. Come on, dudes. What the freak's a chart, man? We don't look at charts, bro. And everything that freaking guy does has copied me for 9 years. My website, my courses, all he does is trade through even numbers now. Give me a freaking break, douchebag. Oh, I'm going to add up. I'm going to add up. Yeah, you're adding up and behind you, stump. Jeez Louise. Made 195 on one lot there, dude. Frick yeah, bro. Hell no, my man. What a launch that was, dude. That thing's going higher, bro. It's going 633 now. Look, someone's in the bathroom flushing their toilet in my room, in the loo. He's in the sink washing. Let me mute him. Hear that? Had his mic on at the sink, like with walking around with his computer. Dude, that was the sickest launch ever, dude. Look at this. 631, 632. Mojo just nailed that on the 1 minute chart. Look at that right off the bottom, bro. 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar. Damn. It's pretty badass, dude. I'm going to go teach the rest of my wifey's leaving. It means I'm silent in the house. It means I can go record the rest of class 1 and 2 and 3 and finish the rest of my crypto course. So I'll load that baby up in the dashboard for later. That was badass. Mojo's badass. So if you want to be badass for the new year, give me a thumbs up and a like. Join my room. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you on the next Mojo show. And you want to show you that this right here is an NFT that I own personally. I own it personally. Alan's talking again. Let me just, Alan loves Alan. Says this may be the greatest thing we've ever seen. It really may be. And I want to show you that this right here is an NFT that I own. So no copyright because Mojo owns it. You ready? Watch. And then I'll see you later. Peace.